In this video, I will show you how to recreate this style of embellishments that we have going on the sleeves of this dress using just 2 items. If you'll be interested in knowing, please continue to watch. Remember to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, and don't hesitate to drop your thoughts, comments, and suggestions down in the comment section. To recreate that embellishment, you need something called your rhinestone cord, and that's what I'm showing us, as well as your choice of thread. I'm working with the size 0.20 millimeters fishing line. What I'm doing now is I'm just placing my rhinestone cord on this piece of fabric. What I have here is called corset mesh, and I'm just simply tacking my rhinestone cord onto that corset mesh. In the inspiration for today's video, we saw on the model Jackie Appiah that the cord was sewn onto the sleeves of that outfit. In your own case, determine what portion of your outfit you want to sew the rhinestone cord onto and go ahead to make simple tacking stitches onto those portions and attach your rhinestone cord onto the outfit basically. In my own case, at some points you would see as we go along in this video that I went ahead to first of all use a little bit of glue to hold the rhinestone cord onto my fabric before tacking. In your own case, you can also do that. I used the B7000 glue for the purpose of doing this, and I found that it didn't really hold well. So I would say you would need something like your hot glue to get the most hold when it comes to this rhinestone cord, because the rhinestone cord is kind of sturdy and it can easily move around if you don't use the right type of glue. So use a very strong glue. But if you don't want to use glue at all on your work, that's absolutely fine. Just make sure that when you are tacking, you tack very firmly onto your outfit. I'm going to just show you guys how I go ahead to just move the rhinestone cord around, and then I started twisting it at some point just to create that spiral effect that we saw on that outfit on Jackie Appiah. So I hope you guys find this video very valuable. I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you guys just see what I'm doing. If you have questions regarding anything that I've done in this video, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. This video is very straight to the point, and this style of embellishment is pretty simple, and it's sure to also elevate the look of your design and create something fabulous for you, just like you saw on that outfit that we are working with as an inspiration. This is me just applying some of that might be B7000 glue and also going ahead to tack. If you enjoyed watching, which I'm sure you would have picked something from watching this video, please be sure to hit that like button. It really supports my channel greatly. Don't hesitate to become a member of the channel if that's something that you're interested in doing. It's another way of supporting me and everything that I'm doing on here. And please remember to subscribe. Don't hesitate to share this video. Drop your thoughts and questions down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, friends, I would see you in another one very, very soon. Bye.